Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, HISWA. Students, I am Asif, your mathematics teacher, present before you to continue this video lectures of about brackets. Now this video lectures is going to start with the brackets because we will solve many types of questions related to the operations and their brackets. So friends, let us see one by one about the brackets. Let's have a look. Here is the first bracket, and this is like this, and this is called the small and round brackets. Okay, now the second bracket is this type of bracket. This is called the curly bracket. Okay, and the third bracket type here, this is called the big bracket or square bracket. And actually you are all familiar with the first and second brackets. Okay, but here the third bracket is new now, and we will solve many types of questions, consisting of these types of brackets. Suppose one question carries the one or more than one brackets, and including the operations like of, division, multiplication, addition and subtractions. As you know friends, we have already discussed and learned about odd mass, ODMAS. Okay, here the odd mass. So here O stands for of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S for subtractions. But in this video we are going to learn the new things, that is called the BODMAS, board mass. So here if we see here the brackets OF of, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, then all this combines becomes the board mass. So B stands for bracket, O stands for of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtractions. So friends, now let us start for solving questions of exercise 24. So this is class 5th. So get ready. Now see friends, we have taken question number 2 from exercise 24, class 5th. So here have a look. Now first write the BODMAS. Now we are going to do for first is B, where the B means brackets. So here is the bracket, and what types of bracket it is? It is the small bracket or round bracket. Now in order to reach this bracket, first write the first term as it is. Okay, here the solution, this is as it is. Now first solve inside the bracket. Now first of all we have to change this into improper fraction. 8 1 8 plus 7 15 by 8. This is minus 3 by 4 as it is. Okay, now see, this is as it is. Now take the LCM of this and this. Now your LCM is 8. It is your LCM. Take the LCM of 8 and 4. 8 is LCM. Divide 8 by 8. 1 multiply by 15. 15 1 15. Okay, here is the minus. Now this 8 is divided by 4 becomes 2. 2 multiply by 3. This 3 to just 6. Now we can write it here. 3 by 8 divided by 15 minus 7 is 9. So 9 by 8. Now we have to remove this bracket. Why? Because we have already did about this question. Okay, now write as it is. Now change this operation as multiplication. So we have to write this as multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse of 9 by 8, 8 by 9. Okay, this will 8 and 8 will get cancelled. 8 1 8, 8 1 8, and 3 1 3, and 3 3 9. So up number is 1 and the downward is 3. That means 1 by 3 is your answer. I hope you will be clear. Okay, now friend, see question number 4. Here is the 13 1 by 3. Here is the curly bracket. Okay, now 13 1 by 3 minus 12 1 by 2 are inside in the small bracket. Is the divided by 5 by 8 and the close curly bracket. OF 3 by 8. Now simplify. First we have to here the brackets. First we have to do for the brackets, write the curly bracket. First we have to handle this bracket, means first we have to remove this small bracket, then come to the curly bracket. Okay, one by one we are going to do. First change this into improper fraction. 13 3 is 39, plus 1 is 40. 40 by 3. Okay, here is the minus. 12 to the 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. Okay, here is a 25 divided by 2. Okay, close a small bracket. Now this is as it is division, this is as it is. Now write OF of 3 by 8 as it is. Now here this is curly bracket as it is. First then solve inside the small bracket. Take the LCM of 3 to 6 LCM. Now divide 6 by 3. 2 multiply by 40, 80. This is minus. Then 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 multiply by 25, 70 becomes 75. Okay, is the bracket. Divided by 5 by 6. Closed with curly bracket. Is the OF of as it is. Write down as it is. Okay. Now next, here is solve. 80 minus 75 becomes 5. 5 by 6 is here. And remove the small bracket or the round bracket. Why? Because we have already did okay about this. Now here is the write the as it is. Here 5 by 6. Close with curly bracket. OF of this, right, as it is. Here see, 5 by same number, same fractional number, or the same number is divided by same. Okay, this number is divided by the same means it gives us 1. If you remember the property of the fractional, same a, suppose a is divided by a is equal to 1, a not is equal to 0. So here a 5 by 6 is not is equal to 0, and same number, same thing is divided by same becomes 1. Here is the 1 and of OF of, write down of, and 3 by 8. What does it means of? 1 of 3 by 8 means we have to multiply directly 3 with 1. 3 1 ja 3 and 8 as it is. So this is 3 by 8 is your final answer. I hope you will be very clear. Now friends, please keep watching this video lecture till the end, and if you have any thought or queries, please comment in the comment box. Write your name, roll number and class as well. Okay, now here homework is question number 1 to 5th, and we have already solved question number 2 and 4 as well, and you have to solve only 3 questions among 1 and 5. So I hope you will solve very easily. Have a nice day.